Today I'm going to create a YouTube link icon and we will add it to the dock. Here we go. Safari. Go to YouTube. Go to Finder. Downloads. Copy the URL. Add to downloads. Close YouTube out. Go to Automator. If you can't find Automator on your dock, you will find it in Finder, Applications. Now you go to Applications, choose Files and Folders, get specified Finder items, get info, Safari, YouTube icon, pick a picture, copy link, copy image, click on the icon and on YouTube info, Command V adds the picture. Now you've created your icon link. You add it to, you type in info, that's the bookmark, close it out. Close out the YouTube pictures. Go to downloads and copy that link over. Open Finder items. Save. Type it in as YouTube. On downloads, application, save. Close that out. Now you've created it in the downloads. You're going to click Get Info. Command V to change the picture. Once again, the icon. That is the actual application. Close that. So we're going to drag the application one, not the bookmark, into the dock. We're going to close the downloads and click on the YouTube. Now your YouTube is in your dock. It's an application. Thanks for watching. Bye.